Okay, it's Chuck's back again. Now this is totally off gold detecting and everything else. I broke my Frontiera watch a little while back. One of the screws wouldn't come out either. You can see it there. I have to replace that. I have three screws there, and they take a point 0.5, I think it is. 0.5, we'll just zoom in there. Yeah, 0.5 triangular bit. So you have to buy the kit from China. I had another kit, but it didn't work really well. So this one's probably the best one. If I find it, I'll link it in. Now I sent away for the replacement glass because I broke the glass on the back. Now taking the glass off is a bit of a pain in the ass, but you have to do that. And when you take the glass off, you'll find that part of that glass and part of that cover is your charging unit. So do not break that charging unit. There's three pieces to it. You have to get that charging unit off. It sits in a certain way, and that'll fix that up. So that'll go in like that. Then all I have to do is cut this open, and you can tell that that's a blank bit, so that's going to be the back side of it. And that's the front bit, which says Frontiera. So that'll go on the back. So that's all I have to do. I stupidly do not buy yourself a metal band. I stupidly left the stupid thing in my pocket after going detecting and went through the washing machine. The actual watch survived, but the back did not. So yeah, that's about all you can do. Good luck, and I hope this helped anyone that's actually pulling apart a Frontiera. Now when you pull apart the Frontiera, I couldn't get, they were going on about using a flat thing, but I got a small, very pointy nosed pliers. I think they're over here. Pointy nosed pliers here, and I got it underneath the bevel to take it off. They don't turn around like the old watches, as I found out. I scratched it, but anyway, we'll get it going and we'll get it finished. So I'll just pop the other bit on. Okay, last bit of this thing, to stick it on the back. It doesn't come with double-sided tape. Now, my job's not very good. I've still got to get a knife and cut around it, or a Stanley knife or something. But it did the job. I had to use some double-sided peel adhesive to get it on. And yeah, I just pop it back on like I took it out, took it off, and it should just sit back down on there, screw the other screws in, and that'll do it for that repair. So yeah, it's a pain in the ass. Don't forget the charging units in there, and don't forget you're going to have some double-sided tape around the outside of that. Now there is a white marker that'll line up with the white mark on the actual bottom of this, which is that white mark there at the top, and that'll line up, and you can see there that you've got your charging unit, and the pins are up the top, so you don't want to break that at all. All right, that's it from me. Bye for now.